everyone, a really warm welcome back to the channel. The NEC here, October 2022 is just open, so it's getting a bit busy, so let's have a really quick look around this Campmaster. This is a Campmaster King, so this is a tiny caravan. We'll go around and get the specs in a minute, but I wanted to show you around the outside first. This is a 2-berth. It's got a rear kitchen, rear washroom, as you can see from the flap, and the toilet flush fill on the back corner there. And there's what the front looks like. Gas locker, as you'd expect. Nice little tiny little window up there, but some fetching graphics in dark grey and blue, and pretty cool looking feet actually. This does not look like an Alco chassis. Not quite sure what it is, so let's see if we can find some more information and some specs for this thing. Alright, here we go. So,
that's what I need.
The price. Have we got a size? No, we do not. Right, I will look that up and put it on the screen now, so you can see what the overall length and weights and so on are. And here we go back around the back. So that's the kitchen window, because the kitchen's at the back. We've got the fridge vent. I'm sure you can push it around. I'm sure those are actually usable grab handles. And look, here we are. Lightweight leisure award for 750 kilograms and under. There we go, with washroom. That's pretty impressive. So going in, we can see 3 very useful floor level drawers there. Washroom directly in front of us, and then just very simply 2 parallel lounges with a flying wardrobe over the top. So obviously you can't sit there, but you can lounge your feet underneath. A little bit of space in there for your clothes and bits and pieces. And then so washable walls, and then the ceiling's lined with this sort of velour, so sort of padded, perforated or semi-perforated, I think it's just the pattern. So a grey lining on the ceiling, quite a nice colour with this brown oud effect here, and then just white, glossy, shiny, easily wipeable walls for the rest of it. Obviously using self-build parts rather than mass-manufactured moulded parts. And then swinging around into the kitchen. Interesting, the grab handle there, I'm not sure if that's permanent or just for the show. That's a sort of suction fit thing. Then at the back here, a couple of storage cupboards, if I can get the lens to focus. My only worry about that would be that the fabric inside got a bit mucky. Very simple water setup, so rather than an aqua roll on the outside, you just get 2 jerry cans. And there are those drawers right at the bottom. I'm quite taken with these, so I'll put you down and pull these out so you can see. Yeah, that's a good use of space to get the water at the right level and still have usable space around there. Yeah, pretty clever. And then fridge just on the left here. Same sort of size you get in a folding camper or that sort of size vehicle. So small, but you know, we managed with all 4 of us, and it was all right. Plus you want to be buying local stuff anyway, if you can, when you're away, supporting the local economy. So just take a night or 2 nights of stuff, so you don't have to get stressed about that. And washroom door here with some nice clips top and bottom. And even in this small package, this is still a washroom, so you can shower in here. And built-in ventilation, so no skylight above, but there is ventilation in the wall there. A very simple little setup. It's a pretty cool little package actually for 750 kilograms. Nice and simple, and yet all the facilities you need. No frills and super lightweight. Yeah, nice. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that quick tour. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. See ya.